So we have studied FET. FET has two types, JFET and Mosfet. JFET is junction field effect transistor. So in previous lectures, we have studied the JFET, working of JFET, how the biasing is done, and after biasing, what happens for the current in JFET. So today we'll compare the BJT and the JFET. So we know that BJT is a voltage controlled device. BJT is voltage controlled device, whereas the BJT is a, you can say that it is current control device. Voltage control and current control means what? It means that your JFET's output current is controlled by controlling the input voltage, VGS, ज्याला आपण म्हणत होतो, आठवा. And BJT, the output current is controlled using the input current. IB control केला की IC control होतो. Okay. Then next thing is type of carrier. जर तुम्हाला आठवत असेल तर BJT ला आपण बायपोलर डिव्हाइस म्हणतो आणि FET ला आपण युनिपोलर डिव्हाइस म्हणतो, बरोबर. सो इट इज द JFET इज युनिपोलर डिव्हाइस. JFET is unipolar and BJT means bipolar junction transistor is your bipolar device. Here in case of JFET, the current is due to only majority carrier. Current due to majority carriers. And in case of BJT, current is due to majority and minority. Carriers. So you have to remember this. Then fourth point is for BJT and FET, the thermal condition, how the BJT and FET behaves in thermal condition. So actually breakdown does not take place in FET and breakdown takes place in BJT. So for FET, thermal stability is high. And for BJT, thermal stability is poor as compared to FET. FET means field junction transistor, field effect transistor. Input impedance for BJT is high. And this is good thing, huh? Input impedance should be as high as possible. And input impedance for BJT is low as compared to the FET. So input impedance should be as high as possible. Noise generation is low. This is also advantage. Noise generation is high. This is disadvantage of BJT. Then next is size is smaller than BJT. For BJT, size is bigger than FET. In FET, offset voltage is not present. Offset voltage means what? When input is not applied, still there is a presence of output. That is called offset. And that offset voltage is not present in FET. Offset voltage is absent in FET. Offset voltage is present in BJT. Power gain is low in case of FET. Power gain is high in case of BJT. And finally, the important thing, the symbol. So symbol of this is symbol of BJT. And this is the symbol of FET. So here terminals are base, collector, emitter. Here symbols are gate, drain, and source. So this is the comparison of BJT and the FET. Is it clear? The BJT and FET comparison?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then we can move. Yes. Is it clear?
Sir, the सांगा ना परत थर्मलचा.
लेक्चर मध्ये डेटा 10 मिनिटात पाठवतो. भावेश?
Yes sir, 4th point सांगा ना.
थर्मल स्टॅबिलिटी म्हणजे काय असतं की ज्यावेळेस टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज होतो बघा. बीजेटी काय आहे? जंक्शन ट्रान्झिस्टर आहे. 2 जंक्शन आहे, बायपोलर जंक्शन ट्रान्झिस्टर. तुम्हाला जर रिव्हर्स बायसिंग ऑफ डायोड आठवत असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये ब्रेकडाऊन होत होता डायोड मध्ये. आणि बीजेटी काय आहे? इटसेल्फ 2 डायोड कंबाईन केल्यासारखं स्ट्रक्चर आहे. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं की टेम्परेचर वाढलं की जंक्शन मध्ये ब्रेकडाऊन होतं आणि लार्ज करंट फ्लो व्हायला सुरुवात होते. मग हे जे थर्मल स्टॅबिलिटी म्हणजे काय की टेम्परेचर वाढलं तरी पण तुमचा बीजेटी हा स्टेबल राहायला पाहिजे, पण तो बीजेटी स्टेबल राहत नाही. म्हणून थर्मल स्टॅबिलिटी जेफेटची जास्त आहे ऍज कम्पेअर टू एफएटी.
ओके सर. थँक्यू.
So we'll move on to the next point. Next is Mosfet. So what is Mosfet actually? So Mosfet is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. See, I am highlighting this first word so that you will understand the long form of MOSFET. So JFET means what? Junction field effect transistor, and MOSFET is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So this is MOSFET. Now, what is exactly MOSFET? We'll see the construction. So how to draw the MOSFET? This is important thing. But first of all, MOSFET has two types. So types of MOSFET, and the types are depletion type MOSFET and enhanced type MOSFET. Depletion and enhanced type of MOSFET. So two types of MOSFETs are there, depletion and the enhanced type of MOSFET. And again, in depletion and enhance, the subtypes are N channel MOSFET and P channel MOSFET. जसं जेफेटला पण दोन टाइप होते, एन चॅनल जेफेट आणि पी चॅनल जेफेट. सिमिलरली इथे पण टाइप आहे एन चॅनल डिप्लिशन मॉस्फेट, पी चॅनल डिप्लिशन मॉस्फेट and enhanced N channel MOSFET, enhanced P channel MOSFET. So these are the types of MOSFETs. Okay, so MOSFET has generally two types, depletion and enhanced. Why the name is given like that, we'll explain. So first that we are going to study is your enhanced MOSFET, sorry, depletion MOSFET. So I'll draw the diagram for it. So how to construct the enhanced MOSFET, depletion MOSFET? We'll see that. See the diagram I'm drawing. So this is your drain terminal, gate terminal, source terminal, and here the fourth terminal is called as substrate, SS. Now, as I told you, there are two types of depletion type of MOSFET, that is enhanced, N channel and P channel. So for that purpose, I'll make a duplicate of it so that we can show you the both, that is N channel and P channel. Okay. So as you can see here, if this is suppose N channel MOSFET, then this drain is made up of N type of material, source is made up of N type of material. This